Friends, hello everyone. My name is Benedict. I'm a trader from Germany with more than 20 years of experience in trading. Traded in many financial institutions, including the largest banks. I have a lot of experience, can share, and who is interested, subscribe to the channel. If you are interested, analytics from a professional trader. Today I want to consider Lucid Stock, manufacturer of electric cars. Now I trade and live in the USA, and trading on the US stock market, as well as in the cryptocurrency market. And I'm also interested in shares of Chinese companies since they've been showing strong growth lately. But today I will consider the action Lucid. By action Lucid, recently been very strong growth. I had a successful deal on Lucid stock. I was entering a deal for the price of 2.17 somewhere here. And I came out of a deal for the price of 3.33. It's here. Very successful entry and very successful exit. How do I see the behavior of this action in the future? So to understand in more detail, we need to switch always to a monthly schedule. Any analysis begins on the monthly chart. What we see on the monthly chart, we see that action Lucid. She fell really hard from 22-year. Since January 22, she started falling. Each candle shows 1 month. As we see, the fall lasted about 2 years, then it consolidated and stopped at around price 2. That is, 2 is such a minimum, which Lucid does not punch down. It means what? This is very powerful. Support at this action. And most likely below price 2, she's not. We'll leave. Next, we will look at the weekly chart. What we will see on the weekly chart, after monthly schedule, going to weekly. We see what Lucid has had a few leaps lately up, and also had some strong corrections. Those jumps up always started from about price 2, 230. Then there was a rise to 330. Then there was a rollback again to 250. Then there was a powerful rise to 4.20. Again, there was a rollback to 280 and powerful growth to 4.20. Again, rollback to 1.90. Practically up to 2. In year 2024, then again growth to 350 and bounces to 250. Up height to 350. And again drop to 2. And rising to 3, then falling to 2 again. This is already us, now considering that what happened in the very near future. And after that, there was growth. At 330. So how do we see, very often repeat the same numbers? That's a good sign. Trading is much easier when there's support levels and there's resistance levels. And in the past, the picture was very much repeated the time before last. Had 2 or 3 weeks of strong growth. Then there was about 3 weeks correction. Again, 2 or 3 weeks of growth, and then a more powerful correction. Same here. About 5 weeks growth and 4 weeks correction. Again, growth, again fall. Here, I basically expect the same situation about what the stock can either rise from current levels to 3.50, either adjust somewhere, up to 60, and after that it will grow again, most likely like minimum up to level 350, or max to level 4. Particularly maximum. When we saw lately it was level 440. But 440 over the past couple of years, Lucid hasn't grown yet. In general, the growth potential of this stock is very large. But for this, you need to break through the resistance in the area of price 4. In the area of 4 resistance, she has not yet broken through. And now the price is 280. There is a powerful pullback from the price of 340. There's a rollback to 280. That is, it has already fallen by almost 20%. Most likely it's an action. We'll be dropping to 2.60 or 270. Like I said before, here I will try to re-enter the position. Go to the daily chart, On the daily chart, we will see in more detail what we see in the day time frame. There was 3 days of growth on the daily chart. More precisely, it was growth lasted 1 day. Then there was a second day, a small kickback. Then there was growth again. Stock dropped to 270 and grew to 320, and now the price is 2.82. I repeat waiting. Drops most likely to price 2.60 or 2.50. 250 I will try to re-enter in more detail. I'm going to draw a line now and show you the level of support. As you can see then, last time there was one more powerful from this level. Bounce up, and then already a stronger fall to 2. This does not mean that the situation will 100% happen again, but the probability is very high. Can also be rollback and up to level 2.30. If the price falls below 250, 230, I will buy more. An average. This is my for today. Look at the action Lucid. I see great potential in this action. I will follow this stock and try to enter the deal again to make good money, because it bounces up very powerfully. Possible growth will continue right from current levels to 2.80. We can't wait for a correction to 250. But maybe we'll wait. If we wait, I will buy. If not, look at the setting. Same to you. I wish successful deals, successful trades. If you are interested in analytics, in my performance, subscribe to my channel, push like, and until new meetings, friends.